Hi everyone, my name is Dis from the Internet Nomad Academy. Today's video we're going to continue with the Thrive Architect tutorials. What we're looking at today is how to always show your article in the post list element in Thrive Architect. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also check out the link in the description for my free course on affiliate marketing and how to make money online. Okay, so say you've got your homepage as an example, and you've got a particular blog that you want to always showcase. You know, it brings a lot of traffic. It's a good keyword. So let me just, for this example, let me just quickly add a post list. Let's use that. Let's use that. Sorry, I'll just quickly just do two. So, okay. So, say you want to just show a couple. Say you've got a couple of posts shown on your homepage, as for an example. And you've got a particular post that you always want to show. What you would need to do is go to filter post. Then you want to click new rule. So you would need to create a display rule first. So display at least one of these categories and just choose. I've only got one category, so I'll have to choose that one. Then you can do a new rule and choose post, and then you click drop down here, always show, and then add, and then all your list of posts will be here. So let's just go with, I'd say that's my the one I always want to show, and then save and close, and that's it. You've got the WordPress resources at SiteGrab, and that's it really. So and then this will always change, but it'll be from that category that I selected. But the one I always want to show will always be there. Cool. My name is Dis from the Internet Nomad Academy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also check out the link in the description for my free affiliate marketing course on how to make money online. Peace. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.